So, using social media to recruit more employees. I'm Richard Dawson. I'm a digital marketing coach, and this is my weekly digital marketing update. So I think it's fair to say that at the moment most businesses are facing difficulty recruiting staff. There isn't really the time to go into why that is, but it's quite a complicated series of reasons for another time, and maybe you could drop a comment in and give your views as to why that is. But it's definitely a problem, and I've been working with some clients on their social recruitment strategy, using social media effectively to recruit the right type of employees for their business and competing with many other employers for those candidates. So it's fair to say social media has been used for a long time for that. So what I thought to do today is pass on 3 quick tips to improve your social recruitment strategy. I have 3 more tips than that, which if you comment yes in the comments of this video, I'll message you with those 3 as well. So the first tip I want to talk about is having a careers or a recruitment page on your website that you can post on social media profiles. Commonly, I see a lot of clients haven't got one on their website. So create a good careers and recruitment page on your website, brand it effectively and professionally, make sure it's got all the relevant information that a candidate might need about your organisation and what it's like to work for you. The second is to make sure that your job adverts, whether they're posted on a platform like Facebook or on a platform like LinkedIn, are effectively branded and professionally branded, and they're attractive to look at, not just about the words that you're putting in there. The third is perhaps think about using video, perhaps some video testimonials from team members telling people what it's like to work for you, and perhaps showing people, giving people a why that they should work for you. That can be a very effective way of attracting the right candidates. As I say, I have 3 more tips. So comment yes in the comments of this video and I'll message them to you. If, however, you'd like a wider discussion about your social recruitment strategy, why don't you get in touch with me? You can find me in the usual places on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, or by searching Richard Dawson Cheshire Digital. It would really help me if you would like, comment, share and subscribe wherever you see this vlog. Really appreciate you watching this video to the very end. And of course, I'll see you next time.